Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. We got this 3.3, actually 3.8, but you know they close to the same. It's a Dodge Grand Caravan. We're gonna do a tune-up on this, so nothing major, nothing hard about this, but it's worth the conversation. So let's discuss it, man. All right, I'm gonna bring the camera down so we can see what's going on. All right, what we have here, man. Like I said, this is a 3.8, and thing about it, man. Thing about a tune-up. A tune-up is really more than just spark plug. A lot of people have come to agree or think that a tune-up is simply just spark plugs. No. You need to check a couple of things you need to check when you're doing your tune-up, man. For one, the air filter, because keep in mind your car has to breathe. It has to breathe, it wants to breathe clean air. Also keep in mind, like this throttle body, see that carbon buildup right there? That could cause stall outs. You know, remember, as you drive in your car, your throttle blade is open. But when you come to a stop, you let off the gas, and that's what's happened. If any carbon is between that blade and this throttle body bore, you may stall out. You may just die out. So we're gonna get that cleaned up. The air filter looked pretty good, so we're not gonna mess with that. And this particular engine utilizes secondary ignition plug wires. Remember, most of the new stuff utilize coil on plug, but this car has a coil that delivers spark to each individual cylinder. And with this being a V6, it's gonna send out sparks to each cylinder. So yeah, I mean, plug wires have a life span to them like anything else, but give it a good visual inspection and verify if you had any misfire. Like, she came in for a maintenance tune-up, so if there's no misfire, I'm gonna bog it down for one thing, and if there's no misfire, I'm gonna probably reuse the old plug wires. But yeah, you need to check those also. And another thing, the PCV valve. This PCV valve is tricky. It's located on the rear valve cover. Of course, it's hose to the intake manifold. That's how you recirculate the vapors that come out of the crankcase. So other than that, man, there's nothing, like I say, nothing spectacular about this tune-up. I'm gonna take these plugs out, replace. I have 6 plugs. One thing you should keep in mind or do is you utilize OEM Mopar spark plugs. This is the part number to this particular engine size. So always check with your manufacturer for what part number you should use. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and knock these spark plugs out. It's pretty easy. Front, as you can see, is very easy. The rear, the only problem you're gonna have with the rear is removing the plug wires, and that's not really an issue. If you've done a couple, you should be able to get back there. But that's it, man. I don't want this video to be long. Again, this is a Dodge Grand Caravan with a 3.8 V6 engine in it. We're doing a tune-up on it, just a maintenance tune-up. No problem. But as you know, tune-up, during a tune-up, your whole goal, or your complete goal during a tune-up is to try, notice I use the word try, to bring back peak performance of this engine. The way it was when it was first built, first made, first off the assembly line. Now, you're not going to be able to bring back total peak performance as it was when it was new, because naturally there's some wear and tear that goes on during the life of the car. But you can do your part and try to bring back peak performance by replacing worn out parts such as spark plugs. All right, so I don't want this video to be long. Let me get on with this tune-up, remove all these wires. Ain't no sense in me filming the actual replacing the wires, but you know where we're going with this. And I can't do tutorial videos anyway. Here I can't, but all right, I will see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next video. Peace.